Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How una dey my people? Abeg na today be first time wey dey come across this channel. My name na Rose, I be mother, I be hairstylist and I also be YouTuber. No fit to subscribe to this channel and I promise you no go regret am. And if you my old subscribers wey come back to watch my video, thank you so much for stopping by. So today my people, I don come with another video. For this video now, I go to carry on along of how my weekend go and also show now how to make a very simple oil stew. So Mona, just sit back, relax and watch this video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the
So my people, first of all, I will clean my bedroom, wash everywhere, clean my bedroom. Then after I finish cleaning up, I come make breakfast for my children. After the breakfast, so I come make small oil stew. I will show now how to make the oil stew. So I'm gonna just continue to the wash. Now we'll see.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
So my people, after this breakfast, I started to make the oil stew. First of all, I get pomo for free. So when I pomo veggies, I just steam am, put onions, curry, thyme, mangi, salt, everything inside this pomo. I just use wetin I just get to make this oil stew sha, basically. So I steam this pomo and then I get macro fish for fridge. I come bring am come out, cut am into pieces. Then I come fry the fish. Now see how for the fry the fish. Then for here I put onions, pepper, small tomato, fresh tomato because I get parboiled tomatoes for fridge. So I blend the onions and pepper and small fresh tomatoes with crayfish for that blender. So now see how for fry the fish. After I fry the fish finish, I come pour small palm oil join the oil while I take fry the fish. I not let the groundnut oil burn. So later I come put my onions. Now the see how for the fry the onions. Make sure say you fry your onions and for very low heat, not be high heat. Come not go burn. So after I fry the onions like 2 minutes, I come pour my fresh and then my fresh pepper and tomato with crayfish and I already blend. I coffee pour am. Then this one another my parboiled tomatoes what I don't feel parboiled before, put them for fridge. I can't add a joiner. So now na the see how they do so. After I pour inside the pot finish, I can't turn everything together.
Turn it
My people, na know sometimes good person dey use wetin you get till dey achieve wetin you wan achieve. Like use wetin you get for house take make very simple. It must not be say you must get everything before you make delicious food. Just use that little thing wey you get, just you can take arrange. So na wetin I do for this video. So after I fry this tomatoes for like 5 to 6 minutes, I come turn am again, come leave am make e still cook. Because if the tomato no done well, especially that fresh one, the pepper when I first put, if e no done well, come give the stew one kind taste. So I let am really fry well. After e fry for a while, I come carry my fried fish, add am, put for inside, come turn am together. If you dey turn your stew, stay very careful. See the way I take dey turn my own, I dey very careful so that make the fish no go scatter. So after I put the fish now, let am still fry for some time. You understand? So I'm not sure now where I for put this egg for fire, but I boil egg. Join the pomo and the fish wey I already get. So now the egg now dey see so wey dey boil for fire. So now say my stew already dey cook. Now see am. So at this point now, I already add my pomo inside the stew, and the egg I already peel the egg for inside. So now the stew now dey see so like this. This stew just go well with rice. We fit eat am with yam or plantain. So my people, after we eat finish, we come go out, go do small shopping for the children. If you dey for Italy, you know where they get one shopping where they call Chiavi. Now there we go do small shopping for the children. So now they see so. So guys, I want use my camera record everything, but they no gree. They stop me for the entrance. They say I no fit come with camera. So now I make una say this part, I know your recorder in full, but when I just manage it small when I record, I just manage am when I enjoy. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with guys, when another person, I know they record this thing well. The phone I use to the monitor the record, so my daughter no let me record the video well. So I know you know it's gonna make her the best. And things I've been able to buy for them, not waiting I expect, not waiting I can't even see. They don't come out summer things, can't bring it because winter also come out now. Winter things they call your bring come out. I don't see any better summer clothes again. So we can your buy small bunch or two for them and shoes. So now we just say come outside. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed. So my people, now the bun shot will come buy for them like this. We just buy this two bun shot and this shoe. My husband buy new car with polo. Me, I not see any better thing for myself, so I know you'll buy anything. I beg if you dey watch video to this extent, I never subscribe. I beg now. Wait till the wait for. subscribe to my channel, support me abeg. Una do well una still watch video to this extent. So I go leave una for here till next time when I go upload again. Una bye bye for now.
Wake up with you.